Hi. So we are at NIT, Calicut Hostel, and this is a temporary setup, by the way. Yeah, so we're going to the orientation, and chalo, let's go. What's up? So a few words about the orientation. Wait. No, I'll give you a different mic. I have a huge setup. Ah, crap. Okay, I got this. Hey, say something. Say. Hey. Okay, a few words about the orientation. Few words. Excited?
I'm really excited, but I'm hoping it will be going good.
Great. And where's Brahmadat? Oh. It's Brahmadat. So now we're going for breakfast, and currently this mess is not open, so we're going to Mega Hostel, One's hostel. Yeah, mess. I'm sorry, it's my first time. So please forgive my wrong words. Any stuff I say wrong. This place is really beautiful. I actually want to do a tour. Yeah, I'll do it. Seriously, man, I'm the only one who's tucked in right now. And if it's going this way, I might just... Crap. Yeah, I might just remove it and just wear it normally. Here is my cricket coach.
Good morning,
Yeah.
good afternoon, good evening.
Please say some words, na?
This college is too good. The food is also too good.
Yeah. Where's Pradeep?
Pradeep,
My second coach. He's in-
Pradeep,
Pradeep.
he's in gym. He will be eating in the gym.
Okay. Yeah, vlog. Say some words.
What can I say? This is my first day in
Hey.
MBA. I am very organized.
Excited?
It's very excited. Let's see what happened today.
Yeah, okay. You had your
I
breakfast?
love you.
Yeah, thank you. Had your breakfast or you're going to?
No, I'm going to have breakfast with my friends. Like Rishi, Pradeep.
Oh.
Here is the guy, Ivano.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, so here is our mess. Oh wow. It is a little crowded today. It's a little crowded. Okay. So how's the breakfast? Actually, the aloo paratha just got finished. So aloo parathas will be, they're making it currently. Here's Shabri. He's from Ernakulam, so he's threatening me right now. So this is my breakfast. Actually, once the aloo parathas come, I'll take those as well. So, yeah. What's up? How's the aloo parathas?
This one is good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Say in the mic, na? Here you go.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Good. Huh?
Yeah, he's
Hey. Nothing. No. Only 2K. Say a few words about the food. Nice. These are... Huh?
subscribers count.
2K.
2K. Good.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't forget us.
Hey. So we finally got our aloo parathas. I guess everybody's happy now. They're hot and fresh. So as dumb as I am, I wore all of this and I forgot my watch. So I ran all the way from the mess to there, my watch. So it's successfully secured and we are going back. So we're actually waiting over here. Look at the sexy Kripan. Tucked in and all. Nice. Bye bye. He's waiting, going to Kritan, I guess.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Bye bye. He's giving me a nice advertisement. So we're on the way. The view is beautiful. And it's monsoon, so hopefully it won't rain. We need to be very careful, it's so hard to vlog. Look at the boys. Water all around. It's kind of like a forest vibe, you know. Most of the faculty also live around here. I'll show you. There are, it's like what do you say, like a society, housing colony or something. Looks like that. So here are the houses, as I said. So at evenings you can see that children playing games and stuff like badminton or cycling. This is also a shortcut to our department. It takes around 350 meters only to reach. The other way it's pretty long. Also taking the bus, not a good idea. So let's go. So it is drizzling, so hopefully we take the umbrella. Thank you. So that you see is the MBA hostel. We were supposed to get allotted over there, but due to some issues, we are at the mega hostel, mega boys hostel too. So all the guys are here. And this is the South Campus, close to the department. So we are close to the department. There's a Swami Vivekananda Auditorium. If you can see that, that's Swami Vivekananda Auditorium. And here is the entrance to the MBA hostel. Pretty cool, no? The girls are allotted rooms over here. Unfortunately, not us. Or fortunately, I kind of like the other hostel now, for some reason. I guess the vibe is too good. And so finally, after the 350 meters of walking, we are finally near the Department of Management Studies. So we're finally here, a beautiful department. The Department of Management Studies of NIT Calicut. Hami, do you remember the room? Which lecture hall we're supposed to go in? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Which?
104.
104, okay, alright. As you can see, the Department of Education and Department of Humanities all are in this building. So, yep. Welcome to DMS. Department of Management Studies, yes. We're all here. So this is inside view. It's beautiful. Hopefully getting into the lecture hall, lecture theatre. 104. Oh wow, it's crowded. So we are finally in the lecture room 104. There's a beautiful crowd around here. What's up, Brahmadattan? Hey, Brahmadattan from Palakkad. So we're inside the class. There are some things happening over there. They're doing something. Hopefully, turns out to be a good day. The campus is beautiful. I should say that right now. And I will be doing a tour around the campus, a campus tour video. Well, it's only been like 2-3 days since I've been here, and I'm still in a temporary room. I did not even get my permanent room or roommate, so hopefully all that works out. And yeah, I'll be doing videos, campus tours, and how to get into MBA at NIT, all those videos as soon as possible. So. Shai Pratik. So it's break time. We just got in. We get. Jai bye. So we're back after the break.
അമ്മരുണ്ടോ?
So we're successfully done with the lunch. How's the lunch?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, no?
Yeah.
So look, here's Ajmal. Hi. How's the lunch?
Super.
So we are going back. So see you there. So we're back after the lunch. We're back at the department, and look who's here. He's Ganesh. So we're expecting a session at any time. So yeah. So we've finally concluded the orientation session. So please conclude the session, Pratik. Please.
Actually, you already concluded.
Yeah, we got some strict instructions.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
so now I joined NIT Gate, NIT Calicut for MBA.
So after the orientation, we're going back to have some snacks. So we're concluding the video right over here.
Yeah.
So
We are having a snack.
In our MBA, on a first day, we decided we don't go, we didn't get the placement, so we are starting for vlogging.
that's it for today's video. Bye bye. So after the all the sessions and snacks, we didn't feel like the snacks were so good. So we came to the Pani Puri store near our hostel. So yeah, the guys. What's up? Hi. So we're waiting for a Pani Puri. How excited on a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
8.
7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
8.
8. Oh wow. All right. We'll consider that as a one. How much? How much?
Excited on scale of 7.
Oh wow. Okay. Oh, Pani Puri is here. Oh, wonderful. PG. Nice. Yeah. Okay. First, who's it going to be? Akash.
Yeah.
Try. आपका ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू बताओ बहुत हाउ इज इट ओके नेक्स्ट हामी लेंगे ओके ट्राई शबरी शबरी इज ऑन द वे लेट्स गो ओके रिव्यू नाइस सॉरी हामी रिव्यू बहुत टेस्टी है रिव्यू कम ऑन Nice. Now I'll try.
Hey man, how's it? Good?
What restaurant?
Yeah.
So guys, we actually concluded the video before with Pratik, but because of the Pani Puri and all, we're concluding it again. So thank you for watching my video, and please make sure you subscribe and
Like, share, subscribe guys. Thank you, bye.
bye bye.